Learning to save money quickly is something that most people are struggling with. The thing is that there are many good reasons why you should start doing it. Maybe you have to pay for something unexpected, or maybe your friends just invited you for a trip. Perhaps you want to buy a precious gift to someone you care about. Whatever the reason, there are many ways to save money quickly. Turn your trash into cash. A good way to turn trash into money is by selling all the things that you don't use anymore. Take a look around your home and identify valuable possessions that no longer serve you. Clear out your closet of unworn clothes, get rid of electronics gathering dust, or part ways with old books and more. To ensure a fair price for your items, it's important to research their market value. This will enable you to set reasonable prices and attract potential buyers. Take advantage of the power of online platforms like eBay or Craigslist to turn your unused belongings into extra cash. Follow best practices such as meeting buyers in public places to ensure a secure and comfortable experience. Negotiate your bills. While certain expenses like rent or mortgage payments are fixed and non-negotiable, there may be flexibility with other bills. Take car insurance or cell phone service, for instance, where opportunities for better deals may exist. Investing some time in research can prove to be worthwhile, as it may lead to finding more affordable rates. While it does require a small time commitment, the potential savings make it a valuable endeavor. By exploring alternative options and comparing prices, you have the chance to optimize your budget and keep more money in your pocket. Track your expenses. Keeping a record of your expenses is the most effective method to find opportunities for saving money. By tracking your spending for just 1 month, you can gain valuable insights into where your money is being allocated. Once you have identified the areas where you are spending the most, you can also identify areas where reductions can be made. With this knowledge in hand, you can establish a realistic budget and commit to adhering to it. This simple yet powerful practice enables you to take control of your spending and make informed decisions about where your money should be allocated. By being mindful of your expenses, you can effectively manage your finances and work towards achieving your savings goals. Cancel paid subscriptions and memberships. Are you subscribed to a product delivery or streaming service that you barely use? Have you been neglecting your gym membership? The costs of paid services, subscriptions, and memberships can accumulate quickly. Take a moment to compile a list of all the ones you currently have and ask yourself whether you truly need them. If the answer is no, it may be time to consider canceling these unnecessary expenses. By eliminating the services you don't utilize or benefit from, you can free up your budget for more essential or meaningful purposes. Automate your savings. If you're struggling to develop a saving habit, setting up automatic transfers to your savings account can be incredibly beneficial. By scheduling a specific amount of money to be transferred from your paycheck to your savings account on each payday, you reduce the temptation to spend it and can witness your savings balance gradually increase. Take some time to assess your budget and determine an amount that you can comfortably commit to on a regular basis. Once you've decided, put your savings on autopilot by automating the transfers. This way, you can consistently contribute to your savings without the need for constant manual intervention, making it easier to build up your savings over time. Compare prices. The retail industry heavily relies on impulsive buying, using sales tactics to tempt you into making immediate purchases. While there may be some truly worthwhile deals, it is often more advantageous to take your time and compare prices among different retailers. When comparing prices, it's important to consider not only the base price of an item, but also factors like shipping costs, available coupon codes, and other offers that can affect the final price. By doing some comparison shopping, you might even come to the realization that you don't actually need the item you were initially considering purchasing, saving you both money and unnecessary clutter. Don't let FOMO control you. While scrolling on Instagram can be highly addictive and provide entertainment, it can also fuel the fear of missing out. You may have come across numerous posts that, intentionally or not, make you feel guilty about what you haven't accomplished or acquired. These posts from other people often make you feel like you're not enough, that you should buy a certain item or piece of clothing in order to keep up with the trend. It's important to ask yourself if these are things you genuinely want to pursue or purchase, or if you're simply trying to check off someone else's bucket list. Instead, take control of your own aspirations and create a list of goals that align with your values and desires. Focus on those goals and let go of the pressure to conform to someone else's expectations or standards. Your personal journey and fulfillment should be prioritized over societal expectations promoted on social media. Don't pay for convenience. In the pursuit of convenience, most people, especially Americans, are willing to pay a high price. They may spend $25 on food that they could easily make at home for less than $5. Similarly, they might prefer to spend $8 on a cup of coffee at a local cafe instead of brewing a whole pot of coffee at home for just a few pennies. However, by dedicating some extra time in your daily routine to prepare your own meals, make your own drinks, or engage in household maintenance and repairs, you can save a significant amount of money. This small shift in behavior can have a huge impact on your bank account over time. Explore free entertainment alternatives. Instead of spending money on expensive outings or entertainment, look for free or low-cost alternatives. Visit local parks, attend community events, explore hiking trails, borrow books and movies from the library, or host game nights with friends. Embracing low-cost or free activities can be just as enjoyable and help you save money. Reduce transportation costs. Consider alternative transportation methods to save on gas and parking expenses. Use public transportation, carpool with colleagues or friends, or try to choose biking or walking whenever you can. Not only will this help you cut costs, but it's also better for your health and the environment. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.